Good morning, all students. So this is the seventh video of the third chapter, indices and cube root. Right. So we have covered all the topics in indices. So today we will start with cube. What is the meaning of cube and cube root? Right. So for that, first we will go into the basic. That is, what is the meaning of square and square root. Right. So first, what is the meaning of square? If a number is written two times and multiplied, then the product is called as square of that number. Right? So example, suppose I am writing as 5 square. Right? What is the meaning of 5 square or 5 raised to 2? Right? We know that 2 power 2 is written as square. So I will write as 5 square. In the product form, we will write as 5 2 times. So 5 multiplied by 5. And we know the answer is 5 multiplied 5 is 25. Second example, minus 5 raised to 2. Minus 5 raised to 2 means what? Minus 5 we will write as 2 times. So minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. Here 5 5s are 5 5s are 25, and minus minus, right, the answer will be, means the sign of answer will be plus. So answer is 25. Therefore what we can conclude here, square root of 25, that this is a sign of square root, right? So square root of 25 is equal to plus 5 and minus 5. That means 25, 5 square is 25. That in opposite manners, what we can write, square root of 25 is 5. Second, minus 5 square is 25. So in the converse or in the opposite, we can write as square root of 25 is minus 5. Right? So that I have written square root of 25 is plus 5 also and minus 5 also. Right? So what we can conclude, every positive number has two square root. Right? Here 25 is a positive number, right, and its square roots are 2, that is plus 5 and minus 5. Next, square root of 0, right, if we have to find out the square root of 0, then the answer will be 0. So I will write square root of 0 is also 0. Next, square of positive number is a positive. Right, here we can see in this example, 5 is a positive here, so its square is also a positive number. Square of negative number is also positive, right? So here if negative number is there, then also its square will be what? Positive. So here example is minus 5. Minus 5 is a negative number and its square, right, if we do the square of minus 5, then we will get the answer as plus 25. So this rule, that is square of negative number, is positive. The square root of any number in index form is written as, right, if you have to write the square root of any number, let's a, so I will write as, this is the sign of square root, so I will write as square root of a, or in the index form I will write as a raised to 1 upon 2. Example, square root of 36, right? How we can write square root of 36? Either we can write as this is the sign of root, right? So this is square root of 36, or in the index form we can write as 36 raised to 1 upon 2, right? I hope you have understand this. So as the square and square root, we can write for a cube and cube root. So what is the meaning of cube? If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called as cube of that number. Right? Example, 3 cube, right? 3 cube or 3 raised to 3. That means 3 we will write 3 times. Right? So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So first we will do this multiplication. 3 threes are, so 3 threes are 9 and 3 as it is. Next, 9 into 3. 9 threes are 27. So I will write as 27. minus minus 3 raised to 3. So what we can write, minus 3 raised to 3 means minus 3 we will write 3 times. So I will write minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. First we will do the multiplication of these two numbers. 3 3s are 9, minus minus is plus, so I will write here plus. Next these two numbers, plus 9 multiplied by minus 3. So 9 3s are 27, plus minus minus. So what we can conclude from it, cube of positive number is positive, right? 3 is a positive number and its cube is also a positive number. Cube of negative number is negative. Suppose the number is minus 3, then its cube will be also negative. The cube root of any number in index form is written as, right? Suppose we have to write the cube root. So how we can write? We can write as, this is the sign of root, and in the root we can write 3, and the number is what? A, or a raised to 1 upon 3. Example, cube root of 125 is written as, let's suppose we have to write the cube root of 125. So how we can write? First, right, this is the sign of root. In this root we will write 3, and here we will write the number, right? So this is cube root of 125, or in the index form we can write as 125 raised to 1 upon 3, right? So that is called as cube root of 125, right? I hope you have understand what is the meaning of square, square root, cube and cube root, right? Thank you for watching.